Today I went to Fort Kochi and I was walking around the place. I went to eat at the food street, which is nice and colorful, beautifully done. Then I had to go to the Kochi Art Cafe. Then I went to see the fishing nets. Then went to Bastion, Bangalore, and saw the statues over there. It was a good place. It didn't excite me so much, so I just clicked a few pictures and got out of there. And I got to David Hall, the place where Hortus Malabari cruise was completed. I saw all the art exhibits in this place by an artist named Satyapal. His paintings seemed pretty interesting. Then I went to the Malabar Place Hotel. Had a really nice bar, really nice decor, rather quiet place. It was kind of empty. The name of the lounge is Divine. Pretty nice place to sit and relax. Then I took a walking tour of Fort Kochi. I walked around the place. I went through the streets in between, checked out the different buildings, went to the old Harbor Hotel, walked through Princess Street, went for a bit of coffee at the corner cafe. Then I saw cultural coconut. No trip came in without a painting.